In this video, I will show you how to install best VPN on your Google Smart TV. This Proton VPN here, how can you install it for private and secure? Proton VPN is a world only free VPN app that is safe to use and respect your privacy. Created by scientists behind Proton Mail, our fast VPN over unlimited as the case may be. How can you install this free VPN on your Google Smart TV without any stress? Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and proceed from the Home tab right here, just like so. Then from the Home tab right here, what you want to do is to make sure you navigate to your Google Play Store, because you can only download and install app onto your Google TV from Google Play Store. How can you do that? Simply navigate to the settings right here, and then you want to make sure you go ahead and click on settings. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you scroll down right here, click on apps, then go ahead and make sure you look for Google Play Store and click on open. And just like so, it's going to take you right here. What you want to do right here is to simply scroll down, continue to scroll down and check by category. This is app category right here. Slide this way and make sure you navigate to tools. Under the tools, you have all the tools app right here. Scroll down right here, continue to scroll down, then here we go until we have seen Proton VPN right here. However, there are so many VPN that you can download and install on your Google TV, but I want to use this as an example. So if you don't like Proton VPN, you can make use of search for VPN in Google Play Store, and you see thousands of free VPN that you can use for your Google TV right now. So I'm going to open up Proton VPN, and then next thing we want to do is to go ahead and simply hit on install. After the successful installation, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on open to run the setup. And then here you go. Proton, scan the QR code to sign in or create an account right here. So all you have to do is to make sure you scan this QR code to connect to Proton VPN. So for that, you can use your Android phone or iPhone to scan this QR code to create a free account with Proton VPN. Use my Android phone right here. First thing first, what you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you open up Chrome browser. Then after you open up Chrome browser, the next thing you want to do here is allow your Chrome browser to load up. And the next thing you want to do, once you open up your Chrome browser, then go ahead and click on this plus sign right here to create a new tab. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the camera icon. The next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and simply click on open camera. And then go ahead and position the camera on the screen of where you have the QR code. Make sure it reads. Then go ahead and click on account, proton.com.me, and then just like so. Then here you go. You can see sign in on TV or create an account. I'm going to simply click on sign in. Click on sign in. Enter the Google account of your Google TV. Then go ahead and click on continue. Enter the password of the account right here. Having entered a password, scroll down right there and hit on sign in. The next thing you want to do is to verify the cache right here. So for that, drag this puzzle and make sure it's snapped to the red puzzle right here. Then go ahead and click on next. Verification complete. Click on sign in.